What is up, bloggers? Another day of finding hidden niches to grow your blog and monetize your blog fast and getting a lot of traffic and making money on Google AdSense, okay? Making money with blogging and Google AdSense. So I just want to show you one of the hidden niche, which is calculators, okay? If you go into the SEMrush, by the way, I will leave a link to the SEMrush and you will get a 7 days free trial. I'm affiliated to it. If you want, you can, sign up to it. But yeah. So once I search in calculators and I go to the keyword difficulty and click on very easy and then intent, I'm gonna make it informational and commercial and transactional. I don't want navigational, as I explained in the previous videos, okay? So now you can see snow day calculator, a push score calculator, asphalt, and car loan payoff calculator, auto loan calculator. The amount of traffic these keywords are getting, you can literally construction loan calculator. I'm just gonna take the keyword. Okay, I'm just gonna take the keyword and go to the I'm just gonna go to the Hostinger domain. I'm just gonna go to the Hostinger domain names and click on generate domain using AI, and you can simply click on the keyword right here and click on generate, and it's gonna suggest you available domains based on this keyword, and the AI will do the job for you. You don't have to find manually the domain name. So you can see it right here, constructionloan.tools, constructionloanapp.com. You can literally purchase this. It's like what, 500 first year. It's like under $10, okay? And then build a topical content around this keyword alone, okay? If I click on this keyword, it's gonna take me to another page which has every single detail, every single keyword variation, semantic keywords. So let's just wait. I'm just gonna show you. And even the CPC, which is a $1, it's a really great. And you can see the US traffic, which is a 8.1 global volume, okay? So guys, this is an easy keyword, and you can see if you combine all this and put it in a ChatGPT or DeepSeek and ask it to create topical or pillar content or blog articles, and it will do that for you, okay? Even including, so they have given, SEMrush generally gives you this keyword strategy, how to build a topical pillar content. You can use this and put it in an AI tool, and it's going to do that for you. All you have to do is go to the bold.new and boom, create a tool. If you don't know how to create a tool, go to my channel, and in the home page you can see increase your website traffic, all the playlist. And if you watch one of these, let me just show you, monetize your blog fast, 10k organic clicks, and I have shown how to create a tool with bold.new, okay? So if I go to the videos, and I will show you bold.new video, okay, one second. So yeah, how to increase website traffic with bold.new SEO, okay? If you go here, I entirely showed you how to create tools from custom scratch, okay? Just entering simple prompt and put it in a WordPress, custom HTML, okay? So it's easy, it's very easy. You can do that. If you're not doing it, you're missing out with AI, okay? You're staying behind. So good luck to you, good luck to SEO writers and blog writers.